If you want to speed up your Photoshop workflow, one of the simplest things you can learn is how to lock and unlock layers. This is a small feature, but it can save you from accidentally moving, editing, or changing the wrong layer while you work. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock a layer and how to unlock it again in Photoshop, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photoshop and look at the Layers panel. This is where all of your layers are listed. To lock a layer, start by clicking on the layer you want to protect. Make sure it is selected, because Photoshop will only lock the layer you currently choose. Now, there are two quick ways to lock that layer. The fastest way is to press the / key, which is the slash key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Photoshop will lock the selected layer. Another option is to click the padlock icon at the top of the Layers panel. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever one feels easier for you. Once the layer is locked, you'll see a lock icon appear on the right side of the layer row. That small icon tells you the layer is protected and won't be accidentally changed while you continue editing your design. This is especially useful when you've finished working on a background, a logo, or any element that you do not want to move by mistake. It helps keep your workflow clean and prevents errors. Now, if you want to unlock the layer, the process is just as easy. Click on the locked layer again in the Layers panel to make sure it is selected. Then press the / key one more time, or click the padlock icon next to the layer's name. The lock icon will disappear, and the layer will be unlocked and ready for editing again. So to quickly recap, select the layer, press / or click the padlock to lock it, then press / again or click the padlock again to unlock it. That's all there is to it. Learning this simple shortcut can make a big difference when you're working on more detailed Photoshop projects, because it helps you stay organized and avoid unwanted changes. It's one of those little tools that becomes really valuable once you start using it regularly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and share it with someone who is learning the basics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.